In a freak accident, Bollywood actor Govinda accidentally shot himself in the leg yesterday morning around 4:45 a.m. He was rushed to the critical care hospital in Mumbai and he is now out of danger. The incident occurred during a misfire while he was cleaning his revolver. Sources say Govinda bled profusely before he was taken to the hospital. The bullet has been removed and the actor is now stable. The Mumbai police have initiated an investigation into the circumstances of the shooting and are expected to take a statement from Govinda once he recovers. Authorities have confiscated the firearm for examination and they will also be interviewing family members who were present at the time of the incident. And hours after he landed in a Mumbai hospital due to
हमारे साथ इस समय मौजूद हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं। सर, आपने जो है ऑपरेट किया है गोविंदा जी को, क्या स्थिति है, अभी क्या कंडीशन है सर?
सिर्फ मैंने नहीं ऑपरेट किया, मेरे साथ मेरे दूसरे दो कलीग डॉक्टर भी हैं जी। हम सब ने मिल के किया है। अभी कंडीशन उनकी अच्छी है, स्टेबल है, वो जी आराम कर रहे हैं।
गोली कहाँ लगी थी सर?
गोली उनको लेफ्ट नी जॉइंट से 2 इंच नीचे लेफ्ट पाँव में लगी है।
कितने बजे के करीब वो आए थे सर आपके हॉस्पिटल?
सुबह 5 बजे आए थे।
ओके, और तो लेके कौन आया था सर उनको?
मैं उनके साथ था और उनकी डॉटर थी और उनके सिक्योरिटी थी और हम लोग यहाँ हॉस्पिटल आए थे।
अभी कैसी कंडीशन है सर?
अभी कंडीशन स्टेबल है उनकी, कंफर्टेबल है वो जी और आराम कर रहे हैं।
तो बोन में सर बुलेट घुस गई थी कि जो है फ्लैश में ही था?
या नो, इट हैज pierced the bone also जी, a small bone also has been।
तो अभी कितने दिनों तक ऑब्जर्वेशन में रखेंगे सर?
अभी हॉस्पिटल में 2-3 दिन रखेंगे जी, बट उनको रेस्ट करना पड़ेगा 4 से 5 हफ्ते।
ये दूर रखिए। तो आउट ऑफ डेंजर हो चुके हैं सर?
या बिल्कुल आउट ऑफ डेंजर,
आउट ऑफ डेंजर है।
Govinda is currently into treatment, and what we are informed by a team of doctors is that he is responding well to the treatment since the bullet has been removed out of his leg. He is out of danger, so that is a good news for the fans of Govinda who has been under tension after whole of incident. And as of now, police team has also been kept at spot because some seniors will be also reaching here, and we'll just try to get into that particular zone where the incident took place. So the black car, my video journalist Mahesh is trying to notify you. This orange shed that you can notice is where the incident took place, and this is being reported at around early morning hours when the incident took place around 4 to 5 a.m. When the incident took place, and Govinda was to board a flight early morning hours at around 6 a.m. to reach out to Kolkata, where his family member, that is his wife, is residing. And this is the residence of Govinda, where the incident took place, where the misfiring took place. At moment, it is completely cordoned off, but as you can see, there are certain blood stains visible. I would like to request Mahesh, my video journalist, to show you these spots where the incident took place. This is the residence of Govinda, and this is the exclusive visuals which Times Network had reached to the location of Govinda. At moment, it is completely cornered off. Police security has been kept in place. Guards are present here, as you can see. भाई साहब, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, क्या आपको जानकारी मिली थी कब ये हादसा हुआ था?
हादसा तो ये 4 बजे की बात है। जानकारी यही मिली है कि सर अपना पिस्टल रख रहे थे और गिरी और उनके पैर में घुटने के नीचे गोली लगी। अच्छा। अब फिर वो गाड़ी निकली, अब वो हॉस्पिटल गए कि कहाँ गए वो तो नहीं मालूम।
And hours after he landed in a Mumbai hospital due to a bullet injury on his leg, Govinda released an audio clip in a raspy voice in which he thanked the doctors and his fans for their blessings. Listening to what Govinda said.
नमस्कार, प्रणाम। मैं हूँ गोविंदा। आप सब लोगों के आशीर्वाद और माँ बाप का आशीर्वाद और गुरु की कृपा की वजह से वो गोली लगी थी, पर वो निकाल दी गई है। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ यहाँ के डॉक्टर का, आदरणीय डॉक्टर अग्रवाल जी का, और आप सब लोगों की प्रार्थनाएं जो है, आप लोग का धन्यवाद।
My colleague Srishti Atkare spoke to Govinda's daughter Tina Ahuja. Listening.
To know about the health of Govinda. No, he's better. The operation was successfully done. The bullet has been removed from his leg. He's just recovering. He's in the ICU right now. He's just under examination. He's healing.
Okay, and how exactly this happened? Were you there at the house?
No, I wasn't there in the house at that time when this happened, but he was just cleaning his revolver and he was keeping it in the cupboard because he had a flight to catch. तो उतने में वो गलती से ट्रिगर हो गया.